Hello designers, in this video we'll be learning how to draft a petal sleeve, and what you need is 2 pieces of your sleeve that extend up to your elbow length. Okay, so from the center of your elbow, go into the right and to the left by about 2 to 3 inches depending on how wide you want the mouth of the petal sleeve to be. Okay, and at the crown of the sleeve as well, go down by about 3 to 4 inches, or you can use the midpoint of your sleeve just like what I did right now. In this video, I used the midpoint of the 2 sides of the sleeve, then I connected it like so. Okay, then you make sure to label it like that. Then take the second part of your sleeve and place it under, and trace one part of your connection on that your second sleeve and make sure to connect it like so. Okay, so you can also alterate it to your desired width depending on how wide you want it to be, just like I earlier said. So I'm trying to show you another style of the wideness of the petal sleeve. Okay, so I'll be going ahead to cut the first connection of the sleeve. Okay, so after cutting out, you're going ahead and connect the underarm point of your sleeve just like you can see me do in the video, so that your sleeve can become one again, and there you have your petal sleeve. Okay, and if you so desire and you want a pleat just like the picture you have on the video, you can go ahead and slash and spread the tip of your sleeve just like so, and take a fresh paper and begin to spread each leg. Then make sure to connect it back to your normal size, and there you have your petal sleeve. I hope you found this helpful. Kindly like, follow for more.